Well, howdy doody people. It's time to wake up early. It's 5:30. We're going out to the racetrack again. We got home at 11:15, I think, last night from the sprint cars at Archerfield Raceway. These things right here. Now we're up early and we're going back out to Queensland Raceway for 2 days of thunder for Excels, TA2, replica tours, a whole bunch of different categories. We'll be working with Hannigan Motorsport and Jason Hannigan's team and driver Ryan O'Sullivan. They've got a quick car this weekend, and we'll be checking out the sexiest 1969 Chevy Camaro that I've seen, owned by Ian Woodward at Fat Ass Racing, Fat Ass Competition Engines. And I sat in that car the other day, and getting in was a bit of a struggle, but getting out, I actually fell out of the car because it was a tight squeeze. So we showered up. I got all the dirt out of every crevice of my body from last night, and we're on our way. Let's see how long it takes us to get there. Might be a sweet run. Let's go.
One spot outside the top 10 right now. When he comes in and lets the Hoosiers go down, have the top 10 shootout lines. So, you know, the second well, we had one that's how about it to be a finishing to 10? The cars are not inside the top 10. He got very good. Billy Thomas managed to finish second off him. That's a very good result.
Well, we're out here now at Queensland Raceway. There is so many cars here, it's not funny. Some of these cars are awesome. So I just saw Woody's 69 Camaro, the one I was talking about before. Brilliant car. Loud, absolutely loud. 700 horsepower, revs to about 7,500 RPM. And just a beautiful, beautiful car. We've got the Excels over there. They'll be coming out very, very soon. But yeah, it's a beautiful day for racing.
What about races out?
Alright, qualifying is now done. We're on to race 1 of the XL series. It should be really quick. Some good drivers at the front, so hopefully not too much carnage. We're now down at turn 3 down here. Usually where most of the accidents happen, so hopefully moving forward there's not too many issues.
It's straight. He comes downwards quickly. He's driving through full on.
Well, an eventful time. We just quickly changed the gearbox on. We had to source one, changed it over into Ryan's car, and now it's good to go. So tell you what, without the help of those twin boys, would have been a heck of a lot of trouble. They are fantastic. So Ryan's back out now. Hopefully the gearbox holds up, but the Excels are now about to roll out of pit lane, and hopefully it's another awesomely clean race like the last one. It was pretty clean. So this one should be I think it's another 10 lapper, and then that'll do us for today, and then tomorrow we come back for 3 laps. Oh, sorry, 3 races, so it should be good.
Excels straight series here at Queensland race by a tiny start. Cam Wilson once again. Jay Rowe off the head and away from the second roll. Spot to third
That didn't go to plan, so Ryan did a bit of lap and a half and started spewing smoke out the back. So possibly not the gearbox, possibly something wrong with the engine. So the engine builder is now out in his 69 Camaro, Woody, so once he gets off we'll figure out what's going on with the engine and come up with a plan of attack for tomorrow. So don't know if we'll be back tomorrow or what's happening, so we'll find out, we'll wait and see. But Replica Tour is about to come out now. Woody's out in his Camaro, so we'll have a look at that and see how he goes during this race. Well, one engine change later. It is now 20 to 12 in the morning, or at night. I'm going to go to bed because in 5-6 hours, got to be up to go back to the track. So I'm going to go get some sleep, have half a feed, and head back out to the track. So I'll see you tomorrow. Day 2. Out at Queensland Raceway for the 2 days of Thunder. So after last night's engine change, got into bed about 11:45 or just before midnight, up at 5 to get myself ready, left at 5:30, got to the track at 6:30, just been running around catching up with a bunch of people. Excels are about to come out for their first race today, 10 laps, and then later on today they've got a 20 lap, I guess, the final or feature race, which will be televised on TV. But they've got to get through this one first. So we're sitting now at turn 3 at Queensland Raceway, where a lot of carnage usually happens, but you can see the entire track. So hopefully we can get some good footage and see how this race pans out. Oh, not a bad run. Ryan started pretty much dead last and made his way up to, I think, 16th, so not too bad. Passed essentially half a field in 10 laps, so coming to the final, which is 20 laps, should be not a bad effort. So next up we have Replica Tours with Woody and his 69 Camaro. We'll check that out. We're standing in down the back straight, so I'm sure he'll be picking up some speed along there. They're doing the full circuit this time, so it should be good to see. Well, what a weekend. I'm now sitting in the pink room in my house because my two boys didn't want to go in the pink room, so it's now become the office. Quick little recap on this past weekend. So, a few issues with the Adhesive XL. Not exactly sure what happened or what occurred. We do know that in the final, the 20 lap final, Ryan started 16th. Within the first lap, moved up to 10th. And within half a lap was in 8th. And really on a charge. The car was absolutely flying. And then the same issue from Saturday, popped its head up in the new engine and the new motor that we put in. So not exactly sure what happened. I don't know if it was a head gasket, an unlucky, unfortunate issue where the car did 2 head gaskets in one weekend. I'm not too sure. I haven't spoken to Jason about what it could have been. As for Woody, I think he started the last race after an issue. He started 25th, ended up coming 6th in the Camaro, so he did really well. Finished off the weekend really strongly, but massive weekend. So 3 days of racing, and I am exhausted. Where did we go to from here? I'm going to try and get out to the Series X3 round out at Morgan Park in Warwick next weekend. Just to check it out on Saturday, check out the track. I've never been there before, so it'd be cool to check out that track and see what it's all about. Start aiming towards our first race meet, which we're looking towards possibly being in a couple of months. I've got to get the car logbooked and do some stuff there, but hopefully that shouldn't be an issue, and we'll get all that taken care of. And so it's good to go. Still need to decide on a new number, so we'll get that taken care of. If you have any suggestions, more than happy to hear them. I already know my students will come up with some ridiculous number. You can probably already guess which one they will choose. I know you guys are watching this video, so for all those students that are still requesting shout outs on my video, I will not name you, but you know who you are. Here's your shout out. So yeah, couple of months, bit to do. A few little projects on the car in between that time, because we do have a bit of time so we can get some stuff done. But once it comes together, we'll get it out there, and hopefully, like the test day we had a couple of weeks ago, it's a flawless run, and we can have a good time and get some seat time running around in the XL. All right, guys, that's it from me. Bit of a frustrating video to make, because I really want to see the cars that I'm doing some filming of do really well, but Woody had an issue in I think it was qualifying, where the master cylinder for the clutch ran out of fluid, and then Jace had all these issues with the engine in the XL. Fortunately, Woody's Camaro's it's all good, and he is trying to get me to get into a faster car that we can then have some fun with. So I did find a dream car online that I'd love to build up, and it's a cracking good deal. It's literally a caged shell ready to go, all the parts are there, another full car set to go as a parts car, all running gear, engine, gearboxes, everything set to go for about 30 grand. I just don't have 30 grand. So we'll get this XL on track and give it a good burn, enjoy it. And if someone wants to invest in a new race car, another little project for us, by all means, contact me and we'll see how we go. But yeah, I love this XL. It's super fun to drive. We will race it. I'm not going to sell it. But if someone wants to invest in another race car, and it'll allow us to build some more content or make some more content, 30 grand's the price, and we can go from there. Anyway, I can dream. I'll see you next time, guys. Hopefully a video coming soon, and got a few surprises coming. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.